Dive into the future of gardening with the open-source Smart Garden. This lecture unveils a captivating project for automating your garden or small-scale farm using free and open-source software. Imagine a system that not only collects real-time data from sensors deployed in your field, but also displays and stores this information for the long term. Discover how this innovative solution provides a control interface for irrigation, lighting, and nutrition. Explore the two main segments of the system: the local, on-site deployment, and the remote cloud integration. Learn about the low-power IoT technologies like Zigbee, chosen for local communication, and their advantages in durability and power efficiency. Uncover the role of the Raspberry Pi as the central gateway and local controller, utilizing WireGuard VPN for secure cloud connectivity. See how OpenHAB integrates sensor data via MQTT and stores it in a local InfluxDB time series database. Peek into the cloud environment where data is streamed, stored, and visualized using Grafana for insightful analysis. This project, partially funded to foster local product development, even has long-term aspirations of leveraging machine learning to provide valuable insights into your garden's performance. All collected data is designed to be exportable for further analysis. This is your glimpse into building an intelligent, automated garden.